Make this with your old bread, snack in a few. In a bowl, I'm adding 200 grams of ham, 1 chopped tomato, mozzarella, add as much as you want, ,200 grams of creamy cheese. I'm going to season with some black pepper. Add a bit of salt and give it a good mix. Let's set this mix aside. Just grab the French bread and cut off the top. Guys, any kind of bread works. After scooping out the inside, just add our filling. With that done, let's prep the rest and transfer to a baking pan of your choice. Top each bread with mozzarella as desired. And oregano. We'll bake at 180 degrees until golden brown. After that, just cut it up and enjoy. Look guys, this bread turns out awesome. Make it at home, I bet everyone will love it. A quick, easy, and tasty recipe. Hope you guys liked it. That was another Pour in the Kitchen recipe. Big hug, see you next time, and cheers.